Yeah, this TikTok made me buy it. TikTok made me buy it.
If look like a clown was a person, that would be me. Hey y'all, welcome back to Wind Down with Lee. Y'all know how we do it. We get straight to it. Happy holidays to those who have just celebrated the holiday, and Happy New Year's for those that are getting ready to come up on the new year. I want to tell y'all about the makeup that I didn't know. Y'all didn't let me know, and I didn't let y'all know that we had makeup that was TikTok viral makeup. Like, how we didn't know this, y'all? I was watching TikTok the other night, and I was going through some makeup videos, and it was just like,
yeah, this TikTok made me buy it. TikTok made me buy it.
And I was like, TikTok didn't make me buy this.
But I bought this, I have this, I use this, and I didn't let my people know. So yeah, I'm about to let y'all know about some of those products that I have that TikTok didn't make me buy, but I bought anyway.
Honey, we gonna discuss those.
And I got some new stuff that I ordered from Sephora that I actually picked up from clearance from Walgreens, because y'all know we like a good deal. I know this intro was a little bit longer than what we normally have. Now, what I do want to ask y'all is, on that last video, when I did that interview makeup, why ain't none of y'all tell me that I was using an eyebrow pencil on my eyes for my wing liner? Y'all go back and look. I ain't gonna tell y'all nothing else. Go back and look. This is how y'all do me. This is how y'all let y'all girl put herself out there. And y'all wanna know how I found out? TikTok! That's how I found out. All right, y'all, let's get into it. So apparently, this that we have been using for so long already is a viral product on TikTok. Y'all know how much I love this DANESSA MYRICKS primer. For me, it's a primer, okay? But it's the Universal Blurring Balm. See that dent in there? Y'all see that dent? You see that dent? Yes. I done put a dent off up in that mug, right? Now, I really did almost get like number 10. I tried it on my hand yet again, and I almost got number 10. But then I thought about it. I was like,
no,
because I like my foundation that I actually use. But to me, let me tell y'all what I think this does. I think it makes my actual foundation lay like butter, lay smooth, lay like poreless, like it works. You know how some stuff says that it works, but it really doesn't work? This works. Try it. That's why I went viral on TikTok. I understand now. Okay? All right. That's product number 1. Let's go.
If I could wear a product and not put anything else on my face all day was a thing, it would definitely be DANESSA MYRICKS.
I'm gonna let y'all watch me record this reel. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna get it right on the first try, so I might have to do a couple of cuts, but we gonna see. My camera, my phone is right here in front of me, and I'm gonna do the eyeglass hack and see if it works. I typically don't do my makeup like this, so this is gonna be a first for me. Y'all gonna let me know, because y'all gonna see the video. Like, y'all gonna see behind the scenes of this reel. Anywho, all right, let's go.
You have to try the new eyeglasses concealer trend. Pop your concealer on in the shape of glasses. Put some here and even here. And there. Then blend it all in for the perfect eyeshadow base and to give the perfect lifted appearance just like this. Wow. To try the new eyeglasses concealer trend. Pop your concealer on in the shape of glasses. Put some here and even here. And there. Then blend it all in for the perfect eyeshadow base and to give the perfect appearance just like this.
Just as I suspected, I'm looking like a fool. Hello. Hi. How are you? And like I said, it wasn't going to record. I was going to be too slow for the recording because you had to go real quick or whatever. So I'm hoping that I'm I'm hoping that I'm far enough back on this video that I can actually still put the clip into that. Because if not, I'll just have to do it another day. What y'all think? I always ask y'all that. Y'all never respond. You never respond. What do you think? This is that. This is the eyeballs. Okay. This is that. I don't know what it looks. I'm looking all over the damn place because I don't know which mirror to look in. With this mirror, the camera, that it all looks the same to me. Crazy. All right, y'all. Let me moving forward. Okay, y'all. So y'all see I done my eyes, but I want to take it back because remember I was telling y'all about something else that I found out that was
TikTok viral, right?
which is this brow tint pen that I bought by NYX Professional. It's the Lift and Snatch that I didn't know I had, and I was putting this on because I'm gonna show y'all just how close it is to the actual NYX ink liner pencil. Like, so I was just grabbing them out of my drawer. Yeah, so I did notice that it had the little pink on it on the other one, right? I noticed that pink when I was doing the video, and I was like, is this something new? Child, whole time didn't realize that it was my brow pencil. So I normally keep all my brow pencils over here in my drawer. Didn't even
Never registered until I saw that TikTok.
But I want to go back in and I want to use this to see if I could draw the little fine hairs like right in the front of my brows. So can y'all see it? Y'all see the little strokes that's coming up there? That little fine strokes. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Now I always do one eye good and then the other eye be terrible. I ain't do so bad. Girl, you go, girl. Bop, 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 bop. I had to go and rebuy this. This is an NYX Control Freak. I don't know why this hasn't gone viral on TikTok, or if it has gone viral, and it's probably one of those other products that I know nothing about because
I'm not really on TikTok that much, y'all.
Probably should be.
I put this on to keep my brows like in place.
Okay, so another product that goes crazy, that goes ham, that goes like
mad on TikTok is the INGLOT gel liner. If you don't have it, you need to cop it because this right here, say less. It is the truth. Now, INGLOT does dry down matte. It goes on a little wet, but then it dries down matte. I have the pencil that I'm going to use because I don't want a very, very thick. I don't want a thick line, okay? I want a thin line. It's a thin line between love and eyeliner. No, I'm just... Alright, y'all, so my eyes are done, but the next thing that I'm going to show y'all is the HUDA Beauty Setting Powder, which y'all have already seen on my channel. And y'all know I love me some HUDA Beauty Setting Powder because it is so finely milled. It goes perfectly with the bright that I like to do under my eyes. It just sets everything in place so well. But if y'all have been watching my videos lately, then y'all know I do like this one-step method. I call it the one-step method, honey. I don't know what it's called, but I've been doing the one-step method and my makeup has been coming out flawless. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show y'all the setting powder. Now, I ain't going to do all the steps of the makeup because we're not here for that. We just here to review
the TikTok viral makeup.
But I will come back on because I do have a new foundation that I want to show y'all because I got that from Walgreens. What's not? I mean, it's new to me. Okay. Oh, and I got a new bronzer. So hold up. I'll be right back. Let me open this stuff up and I'll be right back. So the new bronzer that I got was actually, y'all, it was TikTok viral. I forgot. It's this. Let's pull back. LYS. This is the shade Worthy. I ordered it from Sephora because I've been having it in my cart. You know how you have some in your cart, you be looking at it and you're like, I'm not gonna buy it. But when they did their Sephora event, I got 20% off. I was like, I bought it on the last day of the event. This, I'm gonna go ahead and pull back because I don't know how my camera gonna act a little special today, which is the E.L.F camo, what is it called? E.L.F camo CC cream. So we know how CC creams act. they're not really full coverage, so I don't expect for this to be real full coverage. So I might actually mix this with something because I'm looking for a full coverage today. But I got this for half the price. It's normally $14.99. I got it for $7.49 at your local Walgreens.
So if you're looking to try a new CC cream for half the price.
Weather resistant food. And this glitter.
Back again, hold on. This E.L.F Camo CC cream says it is a
Color correcting full coverage natural finish with collagen peptides and niacinamide.
So it's full coverage? We gonna see. Whoa, this is dark. Oh my goodness. Yowzers. That'll do it. That'll do it. What's gonna happen on my nose? Oh my gosh. And it is, let's play a little game. Oh my God. If look like a clown was a person, that would be me. Can I fix this, y'all? Y'all think I can fix it? Okay, so we know Huda Beauty, like I was telling y'all, has been a popular TikTok powder. Typically though, the color that everybody has been going for is the pound cake color. Sold out, can't find it, nowhere. Good luck. However, what I have is cinnamon bun, and I've been using this little pad to actually put mine on, and it's been working really well. Better than using a sponge and better than using a brush. Make sure we're not setting no lines and pat the powder in. Straight like that. Honey child, boom. Here we go. Juvia's Places blush. Let me show y'all another blush. Remember when I told y'all about this blush right here, this undone? Let me open the package because my light gon' not let y'all see what I'm talking about. Pull it back so y'all can see that blush. And I was telling y'all like how I think this was very pretty. This is giving me that vibe. I think it's gonna look really pretty because I have something like it. Not with this look on. I would not normally put this on with this look, but since I'm doing mainly
TikTok viral stuff that TikTok did not make me buy, but I thought anyway.
I'm gonna try it. All right, shut up, Leandra, and I'm gonna try the dark one. Not the light. Look at that. Whoa, we all know how Juvia go. She don't come to play, she comes to slay. Oh, whoa! Ow! Ow!
Hello, somebody. Woo! Woo!
What y'all think? But the lip I'm gonna do, I guess it'll bring it all together. Or somewhat. Let's get to the lip. Well, let's get to the money. Let's get to the money. All right, y'all. So now is it. We getting ready to do the last TikTok viral item that I have, I think, which is the Fenty Beauty Trio Balm, Fuchsia Flex, Cupcaking, and Fenty Glow Heat number 5. This is the most recent release of the 3 together. However, these 2 were already released. We're gonna test them out and see just how they might look. So this is what I was talking about when I said that this color might actually go with my cheek color. We gonna see. But I got another one that may actually go with my cheek color. Now, it's not viral. This one is the viral one. Right here, Fuchsia Flex. This is the TikTok viral one. So if y'all want to get this one, I want to say it's the holiday color. So that's why it's gone viral, because it's the new one. Like I think it goes with the cheek color that hopefully you really can't see anymore, that blush that was super pink. My makeup has dried down, so it looks really natural. I've added my highlights in my highlighted areas, and I tried to bring y'all the best presentation of all of these TikTok products. What do y'all think? This is why some of this stuff goes viral. It may go viral, but you gotta also know how to apply it. With that being said, make sure y'all go check out my videos, my playlist of Wind Down with Lee, where I show y'all how to actually apply makeup. I got a long list of videos. Check them out. Take this one off, and we're gonna try the next one, which is going to be my Fenty Glow number 5. I'm gonna try not to smile so hard. This is one of my favorite ones. I probably will be purchasing this one more likely than not. I'll be purchasing, I was gonna say every time it runs out, but I'm just gonna stack up on it because I do like it. It's so neutral, it's so nude, and it's so pretty. And it goes well on top of my Carmex, because y'all know I put Carmex on everything. Like that Frank hot sauce commercial say, I put that on everything. Baby, I put this sauce on everything. But y'all let me know your thoughts, what y'all think. All right, on to the next one. I'm gonna put on Cupcake in, but I had to put on a lip liner because I think just for my skin tone, I had to have something with it. It's a little bit too pink to go by itself for me. See what I'm talking about? I think it just looks really, 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 really pretty with that hint of brown around it. I think if I didn't put it on there, well, I've seen it without it around there, and I think it just looks, it reminds me of like that, hey girl, Shanae, like, it's like your lips are just like, wow. And I don't rock like that. I don't like that. So to me, this makes this look gorgeous. And if I wanted to, I could put, like I said, another shade of lipstick on, and I think this would make it even prettier because it would be like dead in the center, you know how it is, and it would give you like that pucker lip, and it would be gorgeous. Oh, chef's kiss. Mwah. Could kiss a piece of paper and leave your lipstick stain. On to the next one. So I want to show y'all one more, and then that's it. We'll close this out because it's been long enough. All right, one more. Stick around with me. Okay, so for this one, I'm not gonna line my lips because I want y'all to see what I'm talking about when I say you need to actually line your lips in order to not look like Shanae. Okay, so put this one on. It's this one. I didn't show it to you. Let me show it to y'all. It's pink. The name of this one is Bubble Binge, okay? But I think this one will look pink, just like that Cupcake looks a hint of pink. I think it will look the same way, except for this one is much brighter. So that's what it looks like. So to me, any shade of pink, I think is gonna look like this. So it's not horrible, but I think it looks better with the lip liner. You guys tell me though, what y'all think? Would I rock it like this? Yes, if I was out and I just had that one in my purse, I would put it on and I would go on about my business. Who gonna check me? Nobody. Nobody at all. Anywho, that's it, y'all. That's it. That is it. That's all I got. I don't think I have anything else. And if I do have any more TikTok viral products that I find out, because I'll go look at TikTok again, I will come back and I will let you guys know. However, leave me your comments. Let me know if y'all want to, if y'all plan on buying anything, or if y'all have any of this stuff and y'all didn't know y'all had some TikTok viral products. Let me know. I have had fun doing this video. Y'all come on back now. You hear? All right. Bye.